Ice cream scoop. Yeah.
Hi guys, how's it going? Ini saya mau fokus dengan dessertnya. Jadi hari ini saya mau coba bikin chocolate chip ice cream. Bahan-bahan untuk Bang Ben's chocolate chip ice cream: coklat, marshmallow, sama mesis, Perisa vanila, whipping cream. Bisa beli ini di supermarket. 70 ml kental manis, ada sedikit mentega. Ini untuk sos coklat. Pertama, saya mau whipped cream di sini di mangkuk. Saya mau pakai ini karena aduk dengan cepat. Bisa diganti ini dengan whisk. Enggak tahu namanya di bahasa Indonesia. Di bahasa Inggris whisk. Whisking machine. Masukin cream, whipped cream sini. 200 ml. Krimnya hampir kental, oke? Mungkin 1 menit lagi. Whipped creamnya sudah kental, jadi mau masukin kental manis. 70 ml kental manis. Terus mau 1 sendok teh Perisa vanila. Untuk Bang Ben's chocolate chip ice cream, mau pakai Cadbury's Dairy Milk. Oke, coklat Cadbury's Dairy Milk. Bisa diganti ini dengan coklat putih, coklat hitam. Ya, semua bisa. Oke, potong kecil aja. Ini sudah siap dan masukin di mangkuk. Introducing the man himself once again. Kental, the man himself, Max Kental. Here he is, back again. Save the day. Tutup dengan plastik dan saya mau taruh ini di freezer selama 5 jam. Siap. Setelah 5 jam, pakai ice cream scoop dan loyangnya. Just in case you can't see. I'm going to use these. Untuk sosnya, mau pakai coklat dan sedikit mentega. Dimasak ini di microwave selama 30 detik. Okay guys, mau cobain. Right, so here we go. Ice cream, super simple. I like the chocolate sauce that I've done as well. Okay. Oh, this is going to be good. Here we go. Oh man. Oh, the chocolate. The chocolate's so good. The ice cream. Look, the texture. Have a look at the texture. That's ice cream, isn't it? We've got the same texture that you'd get just by using the freezer, your cream, your Kental manis. The chocolate. I need a marshmallow. Always need marshmallow. It really is so good. I love it with the chocolate. So chocolate sauce and the chocolate chip, if you can see that. In my opinion, you don't need to go to the mall. Everything here, really easy. Okay, don't go mad with the Kental manis. Okay, if you put too much in, it becomes far too sweet. I think around about 70 milliliters to 200 milliliters of cream is the sort of balance you want. Okay, try it. If you think you need a little bit more sweeter, add a bit more Kental manis. A little bit less obviously. Personally, that's how I do it. 200 to 70. Right guys, thanks ever so much for watching my video again. I've really enjoyed this one. Super tasty. Make it for your kids at home. I'm sure they'll like it. I will see you next time on my next video. Goodbye, stay happy. Who cannot do without ice cream? See you later. Bisa diganti ini dengan whip. You're annoying. Dengan ini, karena pakai ini. Ini hampir not tebal, kental. After 5 hours, so I could say setelah 5 jam aja pakai ice cream scoop.
Kenapa pakai aja?
Because it's already done. See, what do you think I should say?
Setelah 5 jam udah.
Okay, setelah 5 jam pakai ice cream scoop dan ya. Okay. Setelah 5 jam, not 5 minutes. Dimasak ini di microwave selama 30 detik. I can start that again. Okay.
Rambut gue mana? Rachel, back up. Stop talking.